In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp Messenger. So, if you have the end-to-end encryption turned on your WhatsApp Messenger with a security code or password, then you can easily turn this off to delete your backup from the WhatsApp backup page. Then you can easily turn off the end-to-end encryption if you so wish. So in this video, you'll learn the step-by-step process on how you can easily disable or remove or turn off your WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. So if you don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp is open the WhatsApp application and click on the menu icon at the top right, or click on the settings icon at the bottom right on iPhone. So once you click on these three dots on your Android, click on settings. This is going to take you to your WhatsApp profile page. On the WhatsApp profile page, scroll down and make sure you click on chat. On the chat page, here you have access to all your chat information where you can easily customize your WhatsApp chat, which include the backup, transfer chat, and chat history. Now, to turn off end-to-end encryption on the WhatsApp Messenger app, click on Chat Backup. Then once you click on that, scroll down until you go to the bottom of the page where you see end-to-end encryption. For harder security, you can protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. Then go ahead and disable end-to-end encryption by clicking on end-to-end encryption backup. Now, click on Turn Off to turn off the end-to-end encryption on your backup. Here, you'll be prompted to type in the end-to-end encryption passcode or password. Go ahead and do this. Then tap the Next button. If the password is correct, then you'll be prompted to turn off the end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp backup. Tap Turn Off. Then you should see your backup is no longer end-to-end encrypted. Then click on Done. Then once you click on the Done button, you should see end-to-end encrypted backup is turned off. So this is how you can easily turn off end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp backup. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.